Hey guys, Amber, we are going to sing. Yes, we're too good, guys. We're going to sing payphone today by maroon. Okay, you ready? I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the time gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. Even harder to picture you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but it's too late to try. And my time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my night, you turned out the light. Now we're alive, still stuck in the dark. When we called the club, thought even the sunset in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all the change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. Ooh, yeah. Now baby, don't let up, so I can tell you what you need to know. I'm begging you, just please don't go, so I can tell you what you need to know. Now I'm at a payphone. I hope you liked it, guys. Mwah.